Another one of the fun things about being able to digitally remove the brackets, I don't know about you guys, but sometimes we do what's called a detailing appointment where we need to put a bin, whether it's, pushing an upper one out to the facial or bringing something down. The cool thing about that is that when you're digitally removing the bracket, you're making the retainer, you can actually build into that retainer so that when the patient comes in debond, you've already activated that retainer in the software. You've already reset that tooth where you want it to go, and that is their final retainer. There's no debond and then going into aligners. You already have it ready to go. So that's another thing that's kind of saved us. Used to, we would debond them, give them a retainer, and then a couple days later, when we had time, we would make them some active retainers or get them into the aligner software. And with uLab and digitally removing brackets, you don't have to do that. You can have their active retainer ready to go right there for you.